Hey guys, what if I tell you that you can build your own generative AI platform in less than a 10 minutes, and for that you don't need to even spend a single cents. Guys, if you are new with the generative AI concept, then I would like to suggest you must read it once about generative AI, LLM, that is called large language models, machine learning models, and then after that foundations model and types of foundations models for better understanding of these sessions. Now, before I start the sessions, one more thing which I would like to highlight here, that these datasets are publicly accessible and are not highly pre-trained. But according to your need, you can train these datasets by using AWS SageMaker. Hello guys, my name is Avinash and welcome to my channel, The Learning Destinations. If you haven't yet subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well.
Alright guys, let's start the practical session. So firstly you need to visit this site, and it is called huggingface.com. It is AI community website, and after that you need to do the sign up. So after entering couple of details, you are good to go to visit this website. Okay, but since I have already created my account, so I am going to directly log in into this website. So now after logging in, let me explain couple of things. So these are the data set has given, and according to your need you can choose any one of data set and you can make your own generative AI platform. So likewise here you can see that text to image. So if you want to convert text to image, you can use this data set, and you can also see that how many times this data set has been downloaded. Like this data set has been downloaded 564k times. Okay, in the same way, if you want to make a platform for text generations, you can use this data set, and there are plenty of data set, and these data set even you can download and train it also according to your need by using AWS SageMaker. Okay, and these are my spaces which I had previously created for my own testing purpose, and in this sessions also we are going to create the test and going to deploy the app as well. Okay, so I am going to show you one of the example how to generate image from the text, and I am going to use this dataset model. Okay, so just for an example, here a couple of examples is given, the way it can generate the images here. Okay, so I am going to show you one just for demo purpose. I am going to show you one example. So here I am giving some text, a girl walking, I say walking in the garden. Okay, so I have given the word a girl walking in the garden, and since this data set is text to image, so this AI should generate a image of girl walking in the garden. So I say compute. So here you can see that the processing has been started. Sometimes it takes more time, so what I am going to do, I am just pausing this video as of now, and once the image is ready I will get back. Okay guys, so finally we have received our output from this data set, and here you can see that the text which we have passed, a girl walking in the garden, and it has given us the images related to that text. Okay, so now let's suppose that you want to deploy this app. So how you can do it, that I am going to show you. So here you can see the options deploy, and here are a couple of options like inference API and inference endpoints, right? So let's suppose that if you have some kind of applications where you want to integrate these features, okay, so you can use this API. However, as of now I'm going to show you that how you can create as an app, so later you can share this app within your friends. Okay, so they can also try and enjoy these features. So I say create new space. So basically you need to go deploy, and in order to deploy the app you need to say deploy as a Gradio app. You need to click here and say create new space. So, and here it is the space name is given. However, you can give the space name according to your choice also. Okay, for XYZ whatever you want, you can give the space here. So I say next, and I say next gen AI. Okay, and I say then after that here you can select like here different options actually. You can create on stream lit also, and currently I am creating on Gradio. You can create the app on Docker also, and so on with the static as well. Okay, and here you can choose the hardware configurations as well, like this is the free hardware, and you can create this space as a public and private as well. So I say public and create a space. So now you can see that it is preparing the space for us, and once it is completely finished, then I will show you that how you can put the input and how you can get the output. I mean, basically we are getting a prompt to write our text over there, and then it can generate the images related to that text. Okay, so it is almost completed, done. Okay, and here we get our prompt. So in this input we can write any text, and here we will get the images. So let's try our demo, and our app is ready. So I say a man with bike. Okay, and I say submit. Usually it takes some times whenever the data set is busy. Sometimes it takes like 2 to 3 minutes, and in somehow if it takes more than 2 to 3 minutes, then you will receive an error like the timeout, the API timeout occurs. Okay, in such cases all you need to retry again it, and then the next time you will get the images. So I am going to pause this video, and once this image is ready, then I will get back. Alright guys, so finally we have received our output, and we have received our final images, a man with the bike. So it's really a fun activity. You can also share this URL or whatever the space you have created. You can share this URL within your friends and ask them to play around it. So I hope you really understood it quite well. Okay, so if you have any questions, just write me in the comment section.
Okay guys, so that's all for this sessions, and I hope you find these sessions useful. If so, then don't forget to share these sessions within your network, and I will see you in my next session. Till the time, thank you so much for watching this, and you have a lovely day.